Hey, it's the vet again. Today I want to talk to you about stress. I took a stress test and I was surprised. I was surprised that my score was as low as it was. First off, um, it surprised me that it was so low because once I took the test, I realized that I've had a lot going on in my life over the last year. And just for that reason alone, I just knew my score was going to be out of the ballpark. Um, And then on the other hand, I was happy that it was low. I was happy that it was in that range, that it was like I have moderate stress going on in my life. I was pretty happy about that, and I guess I seem to be handling it well because I didn't even realize that I had so much going on. Um, the major stresses that affect my wellness right now, I stress about my oldest daughter. She's a young adult and she's coming of age. She's in her early 20s. So she's staying out a little later and she's hanging out with some characters, I would like to call them, that I don't know. They're not like her normal friends that she grew up with. So that kind of stresses me because I can't be the helicopter mom so much anymore. Also, um, me having a cancer reoccurrence kind of stays in the back of my mind from time to time, and that that could stress me out if I allowed it to, but because I feel like stress was a contributing factor to me getting cancer in the first place, I'm really trying to get a handle on that. And I think I'm doing pretty good. Pretty good. I have some days, but I'm doing a whole lot better. The dimensions of wellness that are affected because of stress, that will be emotional, uh, social, your physical, and occupational. I say emotional because if you're stressed out, you may be like, or you may cry all the time, or be angry. Social because you may not want to be around people if you're stressed out. Or if you are around people, you may not be a really friendly or sociable type of person. Physical, because stress can contribute to binge eating. It can make you sleepy and tired all the time. If you're depressed, you just want to stay in the bed. And that causes other issues. I'll say occupational, because if you're stressed, your job performance can fail, or you could possibly lose your job due to stress. Um, the relaxation technique that I utilize is most often that I utilize now is breathing, taking deep breaths. I had no idea how much taking a deep breath could control you and give you those extra seconds to think about it and calm you down. And I don't know, it's just something really calming. When I feel when I feel my body getting stressed and I feel my heart starting to race and feel like my pulse starting to race, I just do it in the middle of anywhere, conversating with anybody. My family are, first they used to look at me like, what's going on? Now they know mom's calming herself down. She's working her magic. Uh, I told you about my breathing technique. I do use this. I've been using it for about 6 months and it's working for me, so I'm gonna stick with it. I also do visualization. My favorite spot in the world is being in Malibu at the beach right off the PCH. So a lot of times I just fantasize about that and I'm okay. Two things that can happen to you because of stress is depression and anxiety. I've seen it happen time and time again. I deal with anxiety, but like I said, I'm doing a whole lot better. And yeah, these are only two things that can happen from stress. There's a lot longer list. Uh, and that'll be it for today. Thank you for listening. Till next time. Bye.